Nerf. This, at the orange side, it's MDKF, I mean. And in the green side, it's Muhammad. Now, begin! Oh no! Ah, that has to be. Oh, looks like this will be a tie. Oh, that was a close one. He got 1 of 0.
Zed, go pick up that bullet.
No, I can't. And that's almost a good shot. Yeah, that's good. Ooh, that was a close one. That was a close one too. Ooh, that was a close one too.
This should be good.
Now, he's gonna win. I can't believe he's gonna win. He's up there, tracking the person going down. I think so. But he's still up. And I can see him. Okay. It's 1 out of 0. One out of... No, he's shooting. You shooting. Yeah. 1 out of 0. And this 0. He's picking up the bullets. And here is inside. Ah, la 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 la. Okay. Okay. There. Oh, that was a close one. Ooh, 1 out of 1. 1 out of 1. Almost 1 out of 1. Now, oh, that was a close one. Now shoot. Ready? Begin!
Did you start it again?
No. Are you kidding me?
Oh my god, this is a bit hard. This is from MDKF.
He is running like a chicken. Go shoot him! Oh no, that was a close one.
Yes!
Yeah! 2 out of 1. Oh no, he's coming up. Ooh!
That's it?
Yep.
1 shot, 1 kill.
Yeah! 3 out of 1. The winner is MDKF.
Hey, no fair.
Please subscribe, please like.
No. Please don't subscribe, please don't like. Wait, if you like the video, just subscribe. If you don't like the video, then dislike and do whatever the heck you want. You know, it's up to you, not me.
Okay. Bye.
Nerf. It's Nerf.
Or nothing. Peace.